Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will discuss the types of Cannizzaro reaction. In my previous lectures, we have discussed what is Cannizzaro reaction. In this reaction, two aldehydes lacking the alpha hydrogen when heated with a base such as sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide undergo a reaction in which one aldehyde is oxidized to a salt of carboxylic acid and the other is reduced to alcohol. Transfer of hydroxide ion occurs during the reaction. For example, one aldehyde gives hydroxide ion while the other will pick it. So this is Cannizzaro reaction. Now we will discuss the types of Cannizzaro reaction. In today's lecture, we will discuss the three different types of Cannizzaro reaction: simple Cannizzaro reaction, crossed Cannizzaro reaction, and the third type is intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. What is simple Cannizzaro reaction? The reaction between two similar aldehydes is called simple Cannizzaro reaction. What is crossed Cannizzaro reaction? The reaction between two different aldehydes is called crossed Cannizzaro reaction. And third type is intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. The Cannizzaro reaction taking place within the molecule of an aldehyde is called intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. So coming to the first one, which is simple Cannizzaro reaction. What is simple Cannizzaro reaction? The reaction between two similar aldehydes is called simple Cannizzaro reaction. You can see this is the general reaction. Here, two similar aldehydes. The name of this is benzaldehyde. This is benzaldehyde, C6H5, C double bond OH. So two molecules of benzaldehyde will react in the presence of base sodium hydroxide. It will produce sodium benzoate, along with benzyl alcohol, C6H5CH2OH. This one is benzyl alcohol. So this is simple Cannizzaro reaction because the reaction between two similar aldehyde is called simple Cannizzaro reaction, and this one is the general reaction. And now, what is the mechanism of this reaction? The mechanism is same as we have already discussed in general reaction of Cannizzaro reaction. First step is the attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon. First step, you can see attack of hydroxyl ion. Hydroxyl ion of the base will attack on this carbonyl carbon. So ultimately, this bond will be shifted to here, and here negative charge is created. The first step is the attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon. Second step is the transfer of hydroxide ion. You can see this is the second step, and here transfer of hydroxide ion will take place. This hydroxide ion will be shifted towards another molecule of aldehyde, that is benzaldehyde, C6H5, C double bond OH. So this hydroxide ion will migrate, transfer of hydroxide ion. So this hydroxide ion will be shifted from this to another molecule of benzaldehyde. So ultimately, this bond will be shifted here, and here negative charge is created, and this negative charge will be created here, and here double bond is produced. So C6H5, C double bond OH plus this hydroxide ion, C carbon, C6H5 and O negative. Second step is the transfer of hydroxide ion. What is the third step? Third step is the migration of proton. Third step is the, you can see this is the migration of proton. This proton will migrate from here towards the another molecule, towards this oxygen. ये हाइड्रोजन जब यहाँ से जाएगा तो ये डेफिशिएंट होके जाएगा, ये अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन इस ऑक्सीजन को देगा, और जिसकी वजह से इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज क्रिएट हो जाएगा. सो C6H5, C double bond O negative plus H, C6H5, and here is also hydrogen H, and here OH. Last step is the formation of sodium benzoate and benzyl alcohol. This sodium ion will attack to this oxygen will go towards this oxygen. So ultimately sodium benzoate is born. This is C6H5 C double bond O negative, O negative Na positive, ONA. C6H5 C double bond ONA. So this one is sodium benzoate, and this one is benzyl alcohol. So this is called simple Cannizzaro reaction. The reaction between two similar aldehydes is called simple Cannizzaro reaction. Now coming to the second type, that is cross Cannizzaro reaction. The reaction between two different aldehydes is called Cannizzaro reaction. The reaction between two different aldehydes is called cross Cannizzaro reaction. Example, you can see this is the general reaction. This one is formaldehyde and this one is benzaldehyde. This one is formaldehyde and this one is benzaldehyde. So two different molecules of aldehyde. In presence of base sodium hydroxide, it will produce sodium formate along with benzyl alcohol C6H5CH2OH. Mechanism. First step is the attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon. Mechanism is same as you know. First step, what is the first step? First step is the attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon. Hydroxyl ion of the base will attack on this carbonyl carbon of this molecule of aldehyde, that is formaldehyde. So here this bond will be shifted to here, but oxygen and here negative charge is created on oxygen. So you can see in the reaction HCO negative and H and OH. So this one is the first step. Second step, you can see, second step is the transfer of hydroid ion. Second step is the transfer of hydroid ion. So this hydroid ion will go towards the second molecule. Second molecule is here is benzaldehyde. So second step is the transfer of hydroid ion. You can see the product here HC double bond OH and C6H5H and O negative. Step 3 is the migration of proton. So this proton will be migrated. You can see this is a proton and this proton will migrate from here towards the second molecule. और जब ये हाइड्रोजन यहाँ से निकलेगा तो जो कुछ एक्सीडेंट होकर निकलेगा, जब इलेक्ट्रॉन इस ऑक्सीजन को देगा और इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज क्रिएट हो जाएगा. You can see here negative charge is created, and this is the third step, that is migration of proton. And step 4, that is last step, and here formation of sodium formate and benzyl alcohol is taking place. The sodium ion will attack on this oxygen here. This is electron rich and this is electron deficient. So here ultimately sodium formate is formed along with benzyl alcohol. So this one is cross Cannizzaro reaction, because the reaction between two different molecules of aldehyde is called cross Cannizzaro reaction. Now the third one, that is the intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. What is intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction? What is intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction? The reaction taking place within the molecule of an aldehyde is called intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. The Cannizzaro reaction taking place within the molecule of an aldehyde is called intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. You can see this is the general reaction. This one is glyoxal. Here this is dialdehyde, two molecule of aldehyde. You can see here one aldehyde and second aldehyde, dialdehyde. Glyoxal is a dialdehyde. In the presence of base NaOH, it will produce sodium glycolate. Mechanism is similar. First step is the attack of hydroxyl ion on the carbonyl carbon. OH ion. This hydroxyl ion will attack on this carbonyl carbon. So here, and this bond will be shifted to here. So here negative charge is created. That's oxygen. You can see this is the first step. And second step is the transfer of hydroid ion. And second step is the transfer of hydroid ion. This hydroid ion, H negative ion, will go towards this. So here you can see this is the second step, and this is the transfer of hydroid ion. Step 3, you can see what is step 3. In step 3, you can see migration of proton. In step 3, migration of proton will take place. You can see this is step 3 and here migration of proton will take place. ये हाइड्रोजन जब जहां से निकलेगा तो ये खुद एफिशिएंट होकर निकलेगा, ये अपने इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑक्सीजन को देगा और इस ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर जो है नेगेटिव चार्ज क्रिएट होगा. You can see this is the third step, and third step is the migration of proton. And fourth step, which is the last step, in which our product is formed, that is sodium glycolate. Sodium ion of this base will attack to this. So here, ultimately, this is the last step, and here sodium glycolate is formed. So this is called intramolecular Cannizzaro reaction. Next, what are the applications of Cannizzaro reaction? First one is preparation of alcohol. Preparation of alcohol. Alcohol can be prepared by this reaction. For example, benzaldehyde is reduced by formaldehyde in the presence of potash in methanol to give 80% benzyl alcohol. Second application is preparation of explosive. With the help of cross-Cannizzaro reaction, we can prepare pentaerythritol, which is later converted into tetranitrate ester, that is an explosive. So these are the applications of Cannizzaro reaction. And next lecture we will discuss Grignard reaction or Grignard reagent.